Most people think a project ends when the work is done. But that is not true. A project is only complete when it is delivered properly, approved, and closed with clarity. This is where many professionals lose value. Work is finished, but not organized. Results are achieved, but not clearly presented. Lessons are learned, but not documented. And because of that, the impact of the project is reduced. In this module, you will learn how to finish projects strong, professionally, and with confidence. Before you say a project is complete, you must confirm one thing. Everything that was agreed has been delivered. This is where a deliverables checklist becomes important. Go back to your project brief and plan. What were you expected to deliver? List them clearly. Then check. Is each item completed? Has it been reviewed? Does it meet the expected standard? This step prevents last-minute surprises. Because nothing is worse than thinking a project is done and then realizing something important is missing. Professionals do not assume completion, they verify it. Now that your deliverables are ready, the next step is approval. This is where alignment matters again. If expectations were clear from the beginning, approval becomes easier. But you still need to present your work properly. Do not just send files and wait. Guide stakeholders through what has been delivered. Show how it meets the original goal. Highlight key results. Explain any important decisions made during the project. Then confirm approval clearly. Ask, does this meet the agreed expectations? Are we ready to close this project? Clarity here avoids back and forth and unnecessary revisions. Once the project is approved, take a step back. Before you move on, review the project. Ask simple but important questions. What went well? What did not go as planned? What challenges came up? How were they handled? This is not about blame. It is about learning. Every project gives you insight. And if you do not review it, you lose that value. Even a short review can help you improve your next project significantly. Now take your review one step further. Document the lessons. Do not keep them in your head. Write them down clearly. For example, what should be repeated in future projects? What should be avoided? What processes can be improved? This creates a simple knowledge system. So instead of starting from scratch every time, you build experience. Over time, this makes you faster, more efficient, and more confident. Professionals do not just complete projects, they improve with every project. The final step is closure. This means formally ending the project. Confirm that all deliverables are approved. Ensure all tasks are completed. Close any open communication or pending items. Then communicate clearly. The project has been completed and closed. This creates a sense of completion. It also builds trust, because stakeholders know the project has been handled professionally from start to finish. A strong finish leaves a lasting impression. At this point, your approach is complete. You do not just start projects well. You do not just manage them effectively. You finish them with clarity and confidence. Now it is time to bring everything together. Create a final project report for your project. Include a summary of the project goal, a list of deliverables completed, key results achieved, challenges faced and how they were handled, lessons learned for future improvement. Keep it clear, structured, and professional. This report becomes proof of your work and a reference for future projects. When you master delivery and closure, you do not just complete projects. You leave a clear record of results, build trust, and improve every time you execute.
You verify your work. You communicate results.